Welcome to US Classic Muscle Cars. Enjoy the next video.
Hi, be sure to check out our new channel if you have a car to sell. Thank you for watching. Okay. Hi, I'm Cheryl with US Classic Muscle Cars. We're here at the Chicago Auto Show with Tulsa's first appearance ever at any car show. Let's see what we can find out about the vehicles. I love it.
The back seat is pretty rich.
Super sleek.
And look at you, plenty of leg room.
Absolutely.
The pedal and the
He's got one hand. Let me show you.
Look,
It doesn't. So I think the lock has.
That's so funny.
Look at this. Yeah, you can see the size of it.
Okay. Whee! It's still doing it.
It's going to be on here. See where it says ride height on the left-hand side?
Mm-hmm.
Go ahead and touch that for me.
This?
Yeah.
Okay.
There you go. Now you can hit lower entry, and that's going to drop it down.
Holy moly. Okay, where did he go? Oh, he's filming it? Okay. We're going down now.
Did you see the guy driving on the radio? Right. The camera's been designed.
what's that?
Yes, right?
If you come over from this side, you can probably get a better picture of it.
And now I'm going to put the truck back up.
Yeah, the people said I was good. They didn't hire me just for the show. I've been with them for 11 years. Okay. Oh, they are tactile. I'm not St. Louis.
Holy moly, man.
Different settings and features.
Okay.
Go ahead and hit dynamics for me.
Okay.
Second one down.
Okay.
So you've got
Wow.
preferred ride height. It's in higher. You hit lower, it'll lower the whole truck down.
Okay, because that's what he wants me to do, right?
Here's your
Okay.
towing and hauling. This is like your towing screen. You can set up your trailer brakes and kind of how much load you have. You can dial in your charging. It's set to 80% right now. You can move it up to 100%.
I don't even think of it. No, because you're in the front.
Here's for the outlets in the back.
Okay.
Inside the car. I mean, you can go on.
Power
and on.
feed,
What
wow.
we talk about is every car comes with autopilot. So the car drives and steers itself. Now you have to keep a hand on the wheel, but it does a lot of the work for you.
Go through the different tabs.
Okay.
Locks next.
What locks? Okay, okay.
Next.
Lights.
So you'll notice, and I'll point this out, you probably didn't notice it when you got in, but there's no stalks, right? It's just a steering column. So your turn signals are here.
Are those 37s or 35s?
Oh, okay.
Right?
Wow.
And the way you put it in gear is up here. You'll slide this up for drive or down for reverse.
Very unique.
Go to trips.
Okay, trips. Okay.
Navigation.
So you can open up the front trunk from here. You can open up the tonneau cover from here. And
Oh, wow.
Isn't that neat? Mm-hmm. It's very high tech, but it's like the design.
Oh, wow.
Isn't that neat? Mm-hmm. It's very high tech, but it's like the design.
you can adjust the ride height. And all that's on your touch screen right there.
That's nice. The service. And then the software. That is nice. And then do the top four. There you go. That is nice. Dynamics. Excellent.
Okay.
I do that with, I know. Right.
And then two more. One more? Great.
Okay, now you want me to do the up and down. Hi, we're at Tesla and we're at their new upgraded Model 3. It's here. It's built for distance, engineered for safety. Its new paint colors are ultra red and stealth gray. Updated interior with wraparound ambient light, ventilated front seats, exterior styling and acoustic glass for whisper quiet ride. Studio quality sound from every seat and rear touchscreen display. Which model do you like better, the Model 3 or the Cybertruck? Give us your comments. This is a popular model, Model 3, and it's been upgraded and more affordable. All your controls are basically on the steering wheel or on the display. Both your turn signals are located right here on the left side of your steering wheel. The display is easily to be reached. Use your right hand. Oh, yeah, right. Okay, this. What? Oh, here. The display is easy to reach. Check out the door handles. This is pearlescent white, has a lot of sparkle in it. Hi, I'm Cheryl with US Classic Muscle Cars. We are here at Tesla's first auto show ever. Here's the camera. One is here. And then we move on to the front. And here is the other camera.
How does it feel in there?
Oh, it feels terrific. I love the screen, it's large. Nice, beautiful interior. Right. There's a test track behind us with Teslas. Check out our special effects video on the Cybertruck. Hi, be sure to check out our new channel if you have a car to sell. Thank you for watching.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and hit the like button, share it. We'll see you next time.